Hi, this is part one of my porcelain tile floor installation in my bathroom. First thing I did was measure out my Hardie backer board and just dry fit it to my subfloor. I'm mixing my custom blend dry set mortar right now. And I'm going to put that underneath the Hardie backer board and screw it down with my collated screw gun. I'll try to mix it up for you. It's hard to record, do this at the same time. Hold on. Okay, my mortar's mixed. You want to mix it to a consistency of basically pancake batter or maybe peanut butter. You basically want to make it thick enough that you can actually scoop it with a trowel. Sometimes I make it a little thinner because then I have more working time. Looking for my trowel. Always lose shit on the job. Here we are. Okay. Alright. I'm just going to do one little piece, and then I'm going to stop recording because it's hard to record and do this shit at the same time. The purpose of the mortar bed is a void filler, so the floor doesn't move. It's not really meant to like adhere anything. That's what the thin set on top of the backer board floor is for. It's just to have like a solid surface so the floor doesn't move. That's it. That's pretty much it. I'm just going to do this one piece, and then I'm going to stop recording. But I like using a 3/8, a 1/4 wide by 3/8 trowel. It fills the voids up better. If you have nails or shit, it just fills it all up. So your floor doesn't have to be perfect. See, I have some nails in there, but I'm just gonna pound them down. When I screw it down, it'll really suck the Hardie backer board down pretty good. There you go. So I'm basically going to do that for the rest of the floor. And then I want to wait 10 minutes and scrape any mortar off with my scraper. And then I want to take my screw gun. Everywhere you see one of these little screws, or every one of these, see these little dimples? There should be a screw about every 8 inches. So, that's basically it. You know, I'm just doing a quick demonstration of how to put Hardie backer board. I'll put part 2 when I'm done setting the backer board. Thanks for watching.